oil injection hose.
Yeah. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
Don't start, man.
You see everybody. You see the look on everybody's faces here. This has been a long day. You're making it longer. I know. Just by look, the camera had to come out at some point, so here we go. We have an intermittent no start. It's fired up 3 times.
Yeah, 2 or 3 times.
We've swapped the distributor.
It wants to when it wants to, huh?
Exactly, yeah. We have spark, we have fuel.
I'm gonna jump the turn key off.
But it doesn't want to run. Alex, what's your best guess? None? No. We swapped the distributor and it busted off immediately. We're like, oh, it's fixed, and then it didn't start. After that. Then it started up twice. And
I put it together, that's a problem.
You did it. No, you swapped the coil wire and it started. But yeah, guys, that's where we're at. We're going to do this epic first fire video, and this thing has been nothing but a complete pain in the ass since we got started. But it's getting close. Rear ends all together. Interiors, well, torn back apart because we had to put a shifter in it. And yeah, we had to cut the floor and do some more trimming. But as you can see, we got the micro squirt in it over there. This thing's just being a complete pain in the ass. All right. So Corey's got a new addition. We got to get out here and check it out, show it off. Are you ready to show it off? All right, there it is. Corey's barn find. How long has this thing been sitting?
20 years.
20 years. Oh God, the 4-eye guys are gonna come in here. Oh, what's Corey's phone number? I want to buy this thing.
Yep.
Whoo.
Been in the basement. T-top car.
Yes. The rare, the appreciated, the good thing, the reason you're lucky is these are usable right now.
Yes. Everything's in good shape.
Oh yeah.
All original.
I mean, look at just like even though they're dirty, but I mean, you can just look at the clear on the tin holes. Woo. And of course, the 50HO.
Carbureted.
She's all there. Now basically you haven't got to do anything to it, but
Nothing. Just
yeah.
I rebuilt the carburetor and put some gas on it.
Put some gas in there. See if it will start. We don't know if it'll start, but maybe.
Everything's still
it's
so it survived a tornado. It was sitting in the basement. The tornado back in 2000 or 99 come through down there. It tore the whole house apart.
And the car survived.
And the car was sitting in the basement and nothing. I mean, it had a few little nicks and scratches that, you know, that's on the car, but nothing fell on it.
I mean, you can tell it hasn't.
The beams saved the car.
Let's get in here and check out this interior. Really good. Normally, you know, the tops of the dash are all cracked up, but man, if it wasn't for this split in the seat, these things are in really good shape.
I think I can get that fixed.
Yeah.
But like I said, I mean, it's set in the basement. It's not even been cleaned up. I mean, it's set in the basement. The windows were rolled up on it, so it needs a good cleaning.
I love it.
But I think it's gonna turn out pretty good.
Yeah. I'm telling you guys, if you're watching this video, wait till we do a little cleaning, a little work on this thing. But I mean, you can tell it's all there, hadn't been taken apart a million times and put back together like most of these cars. See how the door, look, it's even got the striker bushings.
I noticed that on the back too. I mean, everything shuts good.
Oh, look at that. Got the T-top bags.
Everything's still there. Still pulls down, hooks up.
You can tell this thing ain't saw no sun.
No. The panels and all are slick. No scratches.
Yeah, I hadn't had a bunch of junk thrown back here.
Except for the corners. See the very corners over there?
Mm-hmm.
That might just have been you know, where it's set, but
yeah, ain't no telling.
It's clean.
The T-top bags are there.
Yeah. Yeah, good shape. Ain't that something?
Yeah. There's one side and then the other side. Oh, there's screws in there. Looks like somebody tried to put
some speakers in it or something at one time.
Which we can, I don't know if those are, their grills went over those.
Yeah, the grills went over them.
You got the grills?
Yes.
Sweet. And then there's your little thing that tied down and it's got a...
Check this out. Still got the factory.
That spare ain't never been down.
Nope.
Man, I tell you what, here's the thing, guys. If you find a car like this, don't expect it to just be 100%, but this is what people are looking for. This is what's hard to find. All right. I have no idea if it'll start. I think that dog over there thinks it's going to start.
Just about got it.
Watch out for flying
rods.
No. Say a prayer.
The hell's ticking?
Clock.
Headlight. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing.
You mashed clutch?
No.
He done had that automatic too long. I forgot the clutch. All right, baby, here we go.
All right.
Oh.
You can get a good connection here. All right.
I don't think that solenoid's getting good
I
ground.
don't think it's good. All right.
Solenoid no good.
Ain't nobody bring nothing, jump nothing with?
Always something. There you go.
No, it's more close. You're taking.
Yeah, that ain't going across either.
Listen, get it.
Uh-oh. 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 Wipers.
Let's see a shot.
Yeah, if I had something, I could just jump it from the starter, but just jump the 2 wires.
You take that out. Just
Oh, there's a return.
Now you ready?
Yep.
Pumping that old gas, it was.
Woo.
Yeah, she smoked.
Yeah, a little bit.
Is it pumping old gas?
Yeah, it's pumping out. And it stinks. And it was dirty looking.
Yeah, it's nasty.
You'll hook her up. She'll run off of it.
I ain't hooking that up. You just had that built, man.
Yeah.
You don't pump all that in your new carburetor.
Woo, God, you smell that?
Yeah, you
That's
You don't
nasty.
pump that in your new carburetor. What's wrong with you,
Yeah,
man?
she'll forward, she'll run off of it.
Hey, the engine sounded good though.
Yeah, we'll plug that off.
You just pump that into a bucket or something. Pump it. Oh, that's nasty. Pull your arm back a little bit so I can show that. Oh my God. Nasty, like tar. Like some 20-year-old gas right there. She's running though, smoking. Oh God. Yeah. So there you go, boys. She runs.
Yeah, maybe.
We'll just pump it out there.
Corey gonna get this thing all tightened around, and I'm telling you, I love the T-tops. You gotta love the T-tops. Gotta bring this one back, Corey. This is
gonna be a daily.
this is a seriously neat car.
We might have some.
Something?
Might have
Maybe?
Yeah.
Who knows?
We might do a little something with this car.
She's all there though, 100% rust free. Beautiful car. Dude, you're taking the battery back. Alright. Do what? Oh, you gonna pump it in? Alright guys, so that is pretty much gonna wrap it up for today. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Like I said, I'm about to be in Dallas for the LMR cruise-in. Hope to see you guys there. Foxtoberfest, that's gonna be epic in Charlotte. Hope to see you guys there. Then after that, I can rest a little bit. But that is what is up. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.